Hello guys. Most people think combining 100 Excel files takes hours, but Excel can do it automatically in seconds. Imagine a company with 100 branches. Every month each branch sends an Excel file. Someone at head office has to combine all of them manually. This means wasted time, mistakes, and the same work repeated every month. Now we will use Power Query to automate all this process. So I will show you step by step how to do it. So we have here three folders combining branches data, November data, December data. We will go to our main folder. We will paste November files there. We will open new workbook. We will go to data, get data from file to we will go from folder option and we will select our folder combining branches data and we will click open. We will click combine and transform data. We will select sheet 1. We will click OK. Now Power Query editor will open. We will ensure that all the extra columns are removed. We will ensure date column is in proper format. Sales is in decimal numbers. Purchases in decimal numbers. We will click close and load. See, all the data is combined. We will close this file. We will rename it November. We will go to our main folder. We will delete the files for November. We will paste December files there. We will create a copy of November file. We will rename it December. We will open it. We will click data, queries and connection and refresh all. That's it. You see the magic. Now December files, which were 100 Excel files, are combined in seconds and it consists of 10,000 rows. So you can see how powerful this tool is. So this is an example. You can also use this method in combining HR attendance, sales reports, bank statements, and you can automate all the process. So you don't need to do it manually and waste your time. In upcoming videos, I will upload tutorials on Power BI and Python also. So please subscribe to my channel. You will be updated when I will upload new video. Thank you very much.